The Meghalaya State Congress yesterday launched yet another attack on the regional parties for supporting the BJP while accusing them of being complicit in the actions that have been taken against the minorities across the country. Referring to the action perpetrated against the minorities in the country, senior Congress leader Ronnie Lingdo said the NPP is a part of the NDA, while other regional parties are part of the BJP-led NEDA, and hence they have equal responsibility in the events taking place in the country. Condemning the recent attack on a church in Chhattisgarh, Lingdo said the party has urged the union and the Chhattisgarh government to take action against the culprits, lamenting that hate speeches were being condoned by the government. He said it had emboldened people to spread more hatred. He demanded action against such hate speeches.
We would like to express, we would like to condemn this act of vandalism, of atrocities against religious minorities, and we'd like to urge all the authorities concerned, right, from the Government of India, Government of Chhattisgarh, to take strict action against the culprits and arrest them and punish them as per the law. And we express our sympathy. We share our sorrow with the brethren in Chhattisgarh, Jabalpur, who've had to face this atrocity, discrimination by the antisocial elements.